Thanks for tuning in, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, don't forget to smash that like button.
So I took this float off of one of our trucks. It's a Fresno float. That's a picture of a Fresno there, used to smooth out concrete, one of the final steps. The weight adds a little bit of pressure when you're pushing it further out in the middle of a slab to help smooth out the very top surface. This one was homemade by someone else, obviously. I'm going to try and improve the design. You can purchase them, obviously. They're actually fairly cheap, but what's the fun in that? Here's a little machine shop project. Let's get to the build.